Welcome to Laundromat News Today. I am your anchor, Jordan Berry, and I'm coming to you today with the latest and greatest of all things laundromat and laundry related news. Let's start today with a study coming out of the UK. They've got increasing utility costs just like us, and they did a study to try to figure out the precise temperature to save the most money on your utility bills that you should wash your laundry. And listen, coming on the heels of this week's podcast episode where we talked a lot about data and statistics, let's talk about the precise temperature you should be washing your laundry at, or your customers maybe, or maybe just something to kind of consider. And what the study found is that the precise temperature that is the most efficient to wash your laundry is 30 degrees Celsius. And yes, I did do the hard work for you of converting that by Googling it, and that is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So that apparently is a precise temperature that could help you save up to 38% on your laundry costs. So is that going to convert to a 38% savings in our industry? Maybe, maybe not. However, it may help us figure out some pricing for our warm and hot water washes. Food for thought. Okay, let's move it over to some research that predicts that by 2031, the commercial washing machine market is set to grow to be a $5.08 billion industry, the commercial washing machine market. So as we talk about the news that's going on, and especially with all our different manufacturers, just keep in mind, this market is growing, maybe because there's more larger laundromats coming in, maybe because machine prices have jumped a bazillion percent. And there's just more demand there. So $5.8 billion business in commercial washing machines. That's a big business, but it's also a good sign for our industry that things are going well. Congratulations to Wash Dry Fold POS that partnered with Burke On Demand for on-demand delivery, being able to do pickup and delivery with a third-party driver there. So big shout out to Wash Dry Fold POS, who's been in the business for a while, trying to serve laundromat owners, helping them do drop off laundry. Let's go over to what's this one? Oh, yeah. Listen, we've got to give a good shout out to Yo Wash Laundromat that received the best of Florida award for leading laundry services in 2024. So congrats to Yo Wash Laundromat, making it happen over there, serving the community well, and being recognized for it. Way to go. That's in Bradenton, Florida. Listen, we've got some minor local celebrities. Former NDSU basketball star Ben Woodside is getting into the business, and he it's opened a laundromat/pet wash business. And just from the pictures I'm seeing, it looks like a really, really sharp laundromat. So congrats there, and keep it going, man. Way to go from sports to business and serving the local community. Dryer fire in Escanaba laundromat. Just a reminder, first of all, condolences to the owner. Hopefully the damage wasn't too extensive and nobody got hurt. But just a reminder, keep those lint traps clean, keep your vents clean, making sure that we are, doing our part to keep those dryer fires down. They do happen. And let's do everything that's within our control to make sure they don't happen anymore. Let's jump back to Florida and go to Tallahassee. There was a literacy event for families in the community, and shout out to Dan Campbell, who owns Wash Around the Clock Laundromat, and hosted this literacy event in conjunction with the CLA. What's the Laundry Cares? Thank you. Gosh, drawing a blank here. Laundry Cares Foundation doing a free literacy event in his laundromat. I said it before, I'll say it again. Laundromats have a great opportunity to make a big impact in our community. So way to go, Dan. Keep up the good work. And finally, let's round it out. We got to go to our friends in the Great White North, Canada, in Alberta, and we're going to go to Okotoks Laundromat, who on the 13th of October hosted a turkey dinner for the community. So speaking of doing great things for the community, it's happening here. It's happening in Canada. It's happening all over the place. Laundromats making a huge difference. And for me, selfishly, I want to try to have a tiny, minuscule little part of helping you to help your communities. So congratulations out there to Cynthia Fedorowicz at Better Than Home Coin Laundry, which also, I love that name, by the way. So way to go, Cynthia. And good job doing that turkey dinner and partnering with other businesses in the community. So doing good in our laundromats for our communities. I love it. Lots of stuff going on. We'll be back next week with the news in the laundromat business. We'll see you there.